Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about Tsetse facts. These are large biting flies that inhabit much of mid-continental Africa between the Sahara and the Kalahari deserts. They live by feeding on the blood of vertebrate animals and are the primary African biological vectors of trypanosomes, which cause human sleeping sickness and animal trypanosomiasis, also known as nagana. Tsetse have been extensively studied because of their disease transmission. These flies are multivoltine, typically producing about 4 generations yearly and up to 31 generations total over their entire lifespan. Tsetse are crudely similar to other large flies such as the housefly, but can be distinguished by various characteristics of their anatomy, two of which are easy to observe. Tsetse fold their wings completely when they are resting so that one wing rests directly on top of the other over the abdomen. Tsetse also have a long proboscis which extends directly forward and is attached by a distinct bulb to the bottom of their head. There are 23 species of tsetse flies, and I want to point out a pretty sad fact that diseases transmitted by tsetse flies kill about 250,000 to 300,000 people per year. The biology of tsetse is relatively well understood. Tsetse have been extensively studied because of their medical, veterinary, and economic importance, because the flies can be raised in laboratory, and because the flies are relatively large, facilitating their analysis. And let's talk about human relations with tsetse. Basically, human African trypanosomiasis, also called sleeping sickness, is caused by trypanosomes of the Trypanosoma brucei species, and this disease is invariably fatal unless treated, but can almost always be cured with current medicines if the disease is diagnosed early. Basically, this disease begins with a tsetse bite, and then infection moves into the lymphatic system, and as a result tsetse control has been undertaken to reduce the incidence of the diseases the flies transmit. Tsetse control efforts has been undertaken throughout the African continent, but long-term sustainable control has rarely been achieved. Tsetse control efforts invariably are tied to the complex problems of poverty, health, politics and violence that have proved so disastrous for the African people. And that's basically it for tsetse fly facts. If you like this video, please take a moment and comment below, watch other videos on our channel and subscribe to our channel as well.